Page number 10, my lord.
Have you prayed for modification before the judge?
My lord, that has been turned down.
Where is that order?
That is the after the FIR, my lord.
Investigation is still continuing.
My lord.
Charge sheet not submitted as yet.
My lord, in a
Where is the order that has turned down your prayer?
my lord, that we have filed the application by the way of put up, that has not been entertained.
See, there cannot be two parallel hearings. Please not raise this.
But then I have
If the sessions judge doesn't take care of this, then this court is there.
My lord, actually,
You have already filed an application for modification before the sessions
no, my lord,
judge.
no, my lord. I have filed a put up.
That put up is for what?
For modification, but that was turned down.
Where is that order? I want to see that order.
But actually, my lord, that was not been allowed, not been disallowed. Disallowed.
You have to file an application for modification before the sessions judge.
My lord.
If the sessions judge doesn't allow that application, this court is there.
My lord.
Not before you file an
My lord.
application before you have to file an application.
My lord, my lord.
So you're not pressing this or dismissing?
My lord, I will be pressing this.
Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioner does not intend to proceed with the matter. Paragraph. In view of the above, the application being CRM within bracket SB 12 of 2024 is dismissed without prosecution. There shall be no order as to cause.
Gratefully.
Next.
I was thinking that was going on.
Tomorrow. Yes.
I'm appearing for the petition.
For the state. Who is appearing in two? You have the CD with you? CD has not come. When can you get the CD? How many days custody?
85 days, Lordship.
POXO?
14 and 15, Lordship, is below 7 years. And the allegation is that the petitioner circulated photographs of the victim. But
Charge sheet submitted?
yes, Lordship, charge has already been.
Let me get the case done. Day after?
Yeah, 18.
Learned counsel for the state seeks accommodation to produce the case diary. Paragraph. Let the matter appear under the same heading on 18th. Next.
See.
No one.
I've given no objection in this matter.
But there is a small, I'm for the respondent, though this is a leave which is being created from, I understand, madam. But this case, it is there filed in all the corners of the country. Your lordship has quashed one of the cases in 406.
That will be dealt with in the appeal.
As you please, my lord, but then for the
This is against acquittal, right?
yes, madam.
But there's no one for the petitioner. I'll just pass it over. Let me see if anyone else comes.
2.5 years, madam, only for the leave they are still.
I have been told Mr. Longpur has been in case kindly Mr. not to that lordship. I will inform you.
Not today? Very well. Please inform him.
As you please.
Wait for a day, please.
Lordship, in item number 2, I have given the affidavit of service. Kindly take it on record.
Item number 2, affidavit of service.
Victim is served, Lordship.
Affidavit of service record. Next.
Item number 4. Yes, 4 I am for the petitioner. I bring leave to file appeal against order of acquittal. The order, the date of delivery of judgment is 5th June 2023. Now
Within time?
Lordship within time. Lordship within time.
When was the judgment delivered?
Judgment was
5th June 23. When did you file the August?
August. It was filed within time. 9th August.
I have perused the judgment. In GR case number 424 of 2012, delivered on 5th June 2023. Leave is granted to refer appeal against the said judgment. Calcutta court. See, Leave granted.
Good. I shall.
Next,
Item number 5, already matter has been admitted. I have served upon the other side as well state through I will serving. Mr. Kind of senior counsel will be coming from Calcutta lecture on Thursday.
Thursday there will be a resolution of just
On
heard.
Friday, Lordship. Friday.
This is for appeal hearing.
Happily hearing. Matter has been admitted.
देखिए आगे और
Like to audit. Huh? Critical. If appeal admit होगा तो मैं serve.
appeal has not been admitted. There was a delay and there was a direction for service.
I have served. Then kindly let the matter appear on Friday.
For the condonation.
The
Grand one is for condonation.
Condonation,
period. Yes.
Then
Nothing has been allowed. It only a direction for
I
service
stand,
has been
I stand
granted.
correct. I stand corrected. Not today only. Lordship.
Not today. Come back tomorrow.
What?
Not today. Next,
Lordship,
I
instead
need
of
to see the service.
yes, instead of tomorrow, makes it day after tomorrow, Lordship, my service will be completed.
Learned counsel for the appellant seeks accommodation paragraph. Let the matter appear under the same heading on day after is 18th.
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 Grateful.
Next,
Item number 6.
Lordship, I am the petitioner in this case.
you're appearing in person.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I want to withdraw this instant case on certain grounds that in this case, what happened? London Trial Court has taken cognizance on offences against a public servant without prior sanction of the appropriate government. In 2021, my lawyer has filed an application under section 156G of CRPC, and the Learned Court has taken cognizance without that previous sanction. So at that time, I didn't have any legal knowledge, but subsequently
So
when
you're not pressing this, this CRM, right?
and now I want to withdraw this. I filed this criminal special petition for appeal against against
So you
an
don't
order.
want to proceed with this, right?
I want to file this application. Kindly allow me to file and pass an order so that I can prosecute. I want to prosecute the public servant afresh.
There was an order, you're coming up against an order of acquittal, right?
Yes, ma'am. An order of acquittal due to default. It was due to default. So I
So
have
In
filed
this
also an
application, what I can do is I can only allow you not to press this application, that's all.
Lordship, I have filed a CRAN also for continuing a delay in this case. But my basic submission,
No, if you want, you're not
Since
proceeding with this, that's
I
not
don't
required
want-
at all.
but Lordship, what my submission is that I want to prosecute the hiring officer public servant afresh by applying for sanctioning. So kindly pass an order so that,
That
my
order
o-
will be passed by the trial judge, not by this court.
but how can the trial just pass?
Wants a
The trial
leave
has
He wants a leave to.
He is asking for
He's
leave
leaving.
against the acquittal.
not acquittal, Lordship.
Where is the order, where is the judgment against which you're asking for leave?
That is on
Page number 4.
page number 7.
Page number 7. No, that's part of your application. When was the judgment?
Annexure P1. Oh, sorry, CRAN. In CRAN,
Why CRAN?
in CRAN.
Main petitioner.
The impugned judgment and order 13th July 2023. Where is that order?
In CRAN
13th
at,
July
in CRAN
2023.
at page 7, Lordship.
CRAN page 7.
That is by accurate under section 256.
So you have the liberty to file. This is kind of dismissed for default,
Yes.
isn't it? This is not on merits.
Not on.
So you don't need a separate liberty.
No,
You
separate
can,
liberty,
no, no,
Lord.
no, you can file before the trial court, no difficulty.
I can approach fresh. I can
Yes, you
approach-
can. And you've challenged this order before this court, which you are not pressing now, right?
Yes, because it will not serve my purpose.
I'll grant you
it will
liberty to
just-
take necessary steps before the learned trial. That should suffice, right?
Lordship, how
So
can,
the-
unless I produce any order of sanction, how can landed court take any cognizance? Landed court under 197
Order of
CRPC.
sanction, this court cannot grant.
Lordship, under section 197 CRPC, landed trial court has no jurisdiction in taking any application for prosecution against a public servant. So my first task would be to apply for sanctioning. Then after receiving that
This
sanctioning.
court doesn't need to give you any liberty for that.
Not-
The law
not-
gives you the liberty,
Okay, thanks.
right? This court doesn't need to give you any liberty.
It's a complaint case, no?
Learned
Yes,
counsel for the,
yes,
no,
yes, they were-
the petitioner appearing in person
Fine.
submits that
State is
he does
present.
not intend to proceed with the application any further. Paragraph in view of the above, the application being CRM within bracket SPL 1 of 2024 is dismissed for non-prosecution. There shall however be no response or just refer to second. Next,
Okay.
And that state is present.
yes, give him,
Just one line, my lord, the state is present.
oh, John, the third learned counsels for the parties. True.
Grateful.
একদম শুরুতে third learned counsels for the parties, তারপর the petitioner appearing. No, third learned counsel, heard the petitioner in person and learned counsel for the state. Yes, next.
Seven, 8, and 9, my lord, I appear for the petitioner. Will it be convenient for a lordship to take it up tomorrow, my lord?
Why?
I could not prepare myself completely, my lord. There's a special leave to appeal against an acquittal.
You'll need a minute to see, sir. Please do that. I'll not adjourn this.
I have.
Short matters, why did you ask for an
Yes,
adjournment?
the chart for Kotono-
Where is the judgment?
chart for Kotono proceeding.
Is it within time?
Yes, it is within time. Will it be, lordships, convenient to take it up, CRM SPL 4? Because that, my lord, all are connected, same petitioner, my lord. I have actually,
Four?
yes, it's there in the list. I have actually marked that one in my brief, my lord.
Four has been disposed of.
No, CRM SPL 4, my lord. Not
Oh,
serial number.
Number
Nine,
nine.
nine.
তিনটে দিয়ে দিন তো 7, 8, 9 তিনটে দিন।
I'm sorry, my lord, for
It-
troubling your
it-
lordship.
No difficulty. I would just like to dispose it of.
Your lordship.
Yes, 9.
The judgment, my lord, is the certified copy.
When was it delivered?
It was, my lord, delivered on uh 4th of
March.
March 2024.
This is on 6th, wait, then it's within time.
Within time, my lord.
Leave grant.
Great.
Jonathan, I've produced the judgment delivered in so and so. Leave granted.
8 and 9.
Item
7,
nine,
8, and 9, my lord,
Same.
same.
7, 8, 9, তিনটে piece.
Case numbers are different, but petitioner is the same.
Case number 1. Judgment delivered in connection with affidavit letter. Leave to prefer the appeal is granted.
Great, my lord.
That's why I said, why do you need to?
But I just had a cursory glance. Actually, I reached yesterday when I was from Kolkata. I just-
Cursory grants is sufficient for special leave, right?
Grateful, my lord.
You don't need to go through the
Yes.
details at this stage.
Great.
Next,
Yes, here is my application for contempt.
appearing for the first time.
My lord, kindly, I seek a passover. The conducting council is on his way.
Then.
Okay.
Contempt application.
You have not served as yet.
It has not been admitted.
Let him serve and come back.
The conducting council, I'm not the conducting council, my lord.
আগে admit হবে, service হবে, তারপরে তোরা আসবে।
Unless it is served, the other
As
side
well.
cannot appear in this matter.
As my lord.
The lordship's order was passed on 24th April 2024. There was a simple direction upon the range officer Ghoshpukur to consider then dispose my representations dated 25th January 2022 in terms of the West Bengal Forest Produce Transit Rules 2019. Now, this order was served upon the concerned authority, but till date, lordship, no steps have been taken. to give me an opportunity of hearing what the
Please serve and come back. I'll leave.
lordship.
The applicant petitioner is directed to serve copy of the application along with annexure thereto upon the opposite parties and upon the alleged contemners and file affidavit of service on the agenda. Paragraph, let the matter, can you serve within this week? I'll fix it.
Yes.
Next Monday,
Monday, lordship.
let the matter appear under the same heading on next Monday is 23rd, right?
23rd.
23rd December. Next,
Dada.
My lord, I'm for the petitioner praying for a short Passover, my lord.
in 11,
11,
passed over.
grateful.
I'm waiting for the evidence.
Admission stage, why have you served?
My lord, it's a section 5 application.
Section 5.
My lords. There is a delay of 83 days.
Let the delay be condoned. Fight
The
it out on
discretion of
merits.
my.
Fight it out on merits. Affidavit of service along with plan.
Friday,
Uh,
Friday,
The appellant
Good
seeks condonation of delay in filing the appeal. Paragraph, heard learned counsels for the parties. Paragraph, good grounds being shown, comma, the application is allowed. Paragraph, delay in filing, in referring the appeal is condoned. Paragraph, appeal is admitted, issue usual notices. Call for the trial court, lower court, trial court records. Realization of fine, comma, if any, comma, be stayed. Paragraph, the petitioner is,
No, my
You're
lords,
on
it's
bail?
against the accuser. The appeal is
There's no
against the accuser.
suspension.
There is no
acquittal.
Against it.
against it.
Oh, appeal is admitted. Acquittal.
Just the lower court record.
Friday, whether it is possible, my lord, because the books has to be prepared,
No, not so soon, not so soon.
not so soon.
Let the lower court's
Paper-
record be called for and
That-
let the
Trial court-
direction be
We
given
will
to.
not use the term lower courts anymore. It
No,
it has
trial
been
court, trial court. My lords.
Paper books be prepared within 4 weeks after, upon receipt of trial court records,
Right.
right?
And you can't say lower path when you the train. That is,
Uh,
you can't say lower path.
Along with crime discovery.
We usually, it takes time. It takes time.
No.
Gratefully.
Thank you.
John, appeal order হচ্ছে dispute of accommodation, grant a dispute. Appeal to Next.
Actually, in item number 13, I beg to appear on behalf of the petitioner.
Yes.
In this matter, I have paid for quashing of the proceeding being GR case number 915 of 2017. I don't what has happened. One of the assistant teacher of my school was
Who is appeal for the state?
Number?
Mr. Aniruddha Bishwas last time appeared on April 10, 2024.
Passover, my lord.
Passed over. I do not
Lordship, in
find-
that event, can it be taken up tomorrow? In that event,
Not today, not today.
yes. Tomorrow I will be physical.
Very well,
Yes,
very
yes.
well.
I will be appearing physically tomorrow, Lordship.
Not today. Get it?
Grateful, Lordship.
Next.
Worship, I am appearing for,
Yes,
Worship, I am appearing for the petitioner, requesting the matter to be listed on Thursday, if possible, kindly.
Thursday you are having a resolution, I believe.
Thursday. Worship, can it be on Friday then?
A very short stay this time, so please do the matters by this. week.
Lordship, I really want to, but the Calcutta lawyer will come physically, that's why. Friday kindly.
This is why a CPAN? Why is there a contempt application in this matter?
CRR, no contempt application, cannot be. It's
CPAN
this is not my matter.
in CRR 12, yes. In connection with CRR 12,
Contempt.
Oh, no, this is cran. Oh, it looks like P, it's R.
Okay, lordship.
There's a cran. Oh, that has been disposed of, I think.
Grants are all disposed of, lordship.
Oh, this is for hearing of the main application.
Lordship.
You want to come back on Friday?
Lordship, lordship. Lordship.
Learned counsel for the petitioner seeks accommodation. Is it at the motion stage?
No,
Final disposal.
Oh, you are appearing in, for the other side, yes.
Well,
So
under-
this should appear as a contested
Yes,
application,
well,
actually.
lordship appear in the contested application.
Joint learned counsel for the petitioner seeks accommodation. Let the matter appear under the heading contested application on Friday. Friday date, I think. Friday
I'm-
is 21st.
I'm grateful.
Friday is 21st, right?
My lord, the thing
No,
is,
I'm sorry, Friday is
20th. 20th.
20th.
My lord,
Yes.
my learned friend needs very specific instructions from the client. That he has not.
Is it material instruction? by
Yes,
any chance?
lordship. Obliged.
Next. Fifteen, passed over. 16, passed over. 17.
Item number 16, I'm paying for next circuit. Service is not completed.
In 16. On prayer of the petitioner, let the matter appear before the next available circuit bench.
Lordship, in item number 17, I appear on behalf of.
Let it be called. Give him. Oh, 17 is called? Yes.
Lordship, the petitioners in this petition are the in-laws of the de facto complainant. It's a CRR, Your Lordship, and the fact of development in the facts is that the settlement has been done. A settlement has been done between the husband and a wife worth rupees 12 lakhs of
So have
permanent
you
damage.
filed a joint application for compromise?
Lordship, I have the agreement as of now.
If you file, come back with
The
a joint
husband
application.
actually works in Hyderabad, so is unable to come down as of.
Will you come back in the next circuit in that case?
Your Lordship may consider this, Your Lordship, because in the previous
No,
circuit.
no, I cannot consider an application. You have to serve. Where is the other side? If it's a compromise, it should be a joint application by both the parties. I cannot decide on the application of one person, isn't it? One of the parties. Has to be a joint application for compromise. You have to annex this agreement with the joint application. Come back. Can you come back next week or you next circuit?
Can you keep it for next week? I'll come next.
Next week? Very good. Learned counsel for the petitioners submits that the dispute has been amicably settled between the parties. Stop. The parties seek to file a joint compromise application in this regard. Paragraph, let the matter appear under the same heading on Monday, 23rd December. Okay, please inform the other side. It has to be a joint compromise application signed by both the parties. I'll then deal with it. Next. Number 18. Passed over. Nineteen.
19, my lord, I am for the petitioner. Kindly fix on the Monday, next Monday on this. Because of I am.
Yes, 2 days next
Uh,
week, sir.
Third, on to 19,
19.
19.
19 will be election.
Oh.
Thursday, you have you'll be having a resolution as.
Yeah,
We have
my lord.
district court bar.
Oh, this is, I'm.
Most of our practicing advocates are members of the district court bar.
So you
national.
can see there, absolutely.
very
Lordship, kindly fix on the Monday, or short matter,
Very
short
good.
matter, Monday.
Learned counsel for the petitioner seeks accommodation. Let the matter appear under the same heading on 23rd December.
Deep lock.
Next. Item number 20. Passed over. 21.
21, I'm for the petition.
Yes.
My lord.
My lord, CD will
Service
be
is
required.
not complete on the earlier date.
Oh, service, my lord, service was complete. I have the.
Private
affidavit.
opposite party?
Private opposite party, my lord, I have tried to serve, then that person was not there. I reached their relatives physically, and they came to my office also. They met me and they said, whatever you feel like doing, do, but we are not going to participate anywhere. And now my lord, the Jyoti Harijan has moved to some other place. I'm not sure, but it is heard that he is in Kalimpong now. No, in this way, how?
SC advisory is like section 15 capital, it is mandatory, the participation of.
I understand, my lord.
Victim is
I
mandatory.
request you to serve through the police.
As you please, my lord. If that,
Kindly fix it for the next circuit.
Let it be served through
My lord,
Manikara police station.
the petitioners,
I at least require a service on record.
absolutely,
Okay.
If despite service she chooses not to appear, that's a different issue
That's a different-
altogether, right? But the service should be there. on record.
absolutely, my lord. The house is in her name. We have served there, but she is absent all the time. I have the,
Please serve through the.
my lord,
I wrote the notice.
my affidavit of service for, that is for the state respondent is required.
The state is
Affidavit of-
appearing, so.
Please
I'll
take it on
take it.
record.
I'll get it.
Affidavit of service taken on record. Paragraph, it will be. Since learned counsel for the petitioner submits that petitioners submits that service cannot be effected upon the private opposite party in the ordinary manner, comma, service be effected through the officer in charge, Matigara Police Station. Stop paragraph, learned counsel for the state is requested to submit a report on the adjourned date upon effecting service. Paragraph, let the matter appear Friday. Can you come back
Friday.
after service on Friday?
I will try my best, madam.
Or you want it next week,
Yes, madam. Would be better.
Monday?
Monday.
Let the matter appear under the same heading on 23rd December.
Much obliged.
আমি আছি।
Next,
Your Lordship, I'm trying to sort pass over 22.
passed over.
Oblate. 23.
My lords, in 23, and for the petitioner, my lords. My lords, I've challenged an order, my lords, of the learned court below, my lords, refusing my prayer for grant of interim maintenance under section 23 of the Domestic Violence Act. Now, my lords, the opposite party number 1 is my father-in-law, opposite party number 2 is my mother-in-law, and 3 is my sister-in-law, my lords. Now,
You're
my
coming
lords-
up against the order of a magistrate?
Yes, my lords.
Have you
Judicial
met
magistrate.
the sessions judge?
No, my lords.
Why? I know it's parallel jurisdiction, but then you have to come through the sessions judge.
My lords,
Why
kindly
everything on
haze
the
me
High
out, my
Court?
lords. Kindly haze me out, my lords, for 2
Yes.
minutes. Kindly haze me out for 2 minutes.
Yes, tell me.
My lords, I was married to their son, my lords.
That is, you're submitting on merits. I would like to know why haven't you gone before the sessions judge?
My lords, I've come.
This
my
order is
lords, quoted-
appealable, right?
Yes, my
Under
lords.
section 29.
Yes, ma'am.
So have you availed of that provision? You have to.
My lords, I've already
Section
come. before the
29 is
Honorable Court, my
mandatory.
lords. My lords,
Section 29 is mandatory, right? This
Yes,
is the DV Act.
my lords.
So you have to avail of that provision before you come before this court. If there's a dismissal in section 29, then you can come before this court.
That's my section 23 application has been dismissed.
I understand. But that's an appealable order.
It's an appealable order.
Then where is the appeal?
And my lords may kindly grant me leave, my lords.
I'll grant you leave, withdraw this. Why burden the High Court with this? If the sessions judge is there. And section 29 is mandatory.
My lords.
The petitioner, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioner seeks to withdraw the application and prefer appeal under section 29 of the Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act. 2005. Paragraph in view of the above, the divisional application being CRR 473 of 2024 is dismissed as withdrawn. Paragraph, liberty is granted to take necessary steps before the appropriate forum. You are beyond the limitation period, right?
No, my lords.
You are still within
Yes, my
limitation
lords.
period.
But my lords, I filed this under article 227.
Section 29 appeal is mandatory.
For the appeal. 1 month limitation is for
So
the
that
appeal.
is over.
That
I
is
think.
over.
My lords, it's a revisional, my lords, it's amenable to a revisional jurisdiction, my lords.
What is amenable to jurisdictional jurisdiction?
Refusal of section 23.
No.
Please show me the law. And in any event, there has to be the
session
session
judge.
judge in between,
Then
absolutely.
ballots.
Urgency requires acceptance.
And ballots, let the limitation also be extended.
That is exactly what I was asking. You did not say anything. When can you file? Within
Ballots.
1 week after the vacation?
Winter vacation is going on, ballots in the hills. It will commence in a week. So ballots in February, ballots till February.
No, there is no winter vacation.
Means in Darjeeling ballots.
So 1 week after the vacation.
1 week.
right? In the event the petitioner prefers the appeal within 1 week after the vacation, after the ensuing vacation, comma, the learned appellate court shall dispose of the appeal on merits and not dismiss the same on the ground of limitation. Your limitation is covered,
I'm great.
protected, right? Next, তারপরে disposal. See. না, এটার আগে disposal করছি। No urgency certificate website.
That arising out of Domestic Violence Act. But Millard, my only respectful submission, Millard, why we move this court, Millard, because there is a question of law involved. Millard, the question of law is, Millard, the definition of shared household.
Which the sessions court cannot deal.
Millard, probably no. Subject to correction, Millard, probably no. Millard, if I may just serve and come back, Millard, here's me, Millard, day after
After
tomorrow.
the section 29 is, if it is not in your favor.
Right, Millard, take it up tomorrow then, Millard, I'll just try to, Millard, address on this before your
It's
lordship.
mandatory.
But
Whether
thank you,
it's a
Millard.
question of
Millard,
law or on
Millard,
facts.
tomorrow, I was not anticipating, Millard, this to fall. My learned
Not
friend
today.
face some resistance, Millard,
Not
tomorrow,
today,
Millard,
not today.
I'll address on this.
The law resists you. sir,
I
on this court.
understand,
I
Millard.
would have been happy to deal with this, but,
Millard, I'll just, Millard, try to find out if something else.
and it is not correct to burden the High Court on
I
this.
understand, Millard,
The
only,
sessions judge
only,
also
only
has to do
because of the
some
fact, Millard, a point of law is involved, Millard, we thought it better to approach before this court.
That better thinking has to be before the sessions. Anyway, come back.
Grateful.
Not today.
Lordship, challenging the order dated 13/11/2024, issue warrant without stay, Lordship. Petitioner
When will you surrender?
within 7 days.
Within 7 days?
Yes,
Very
Lordship.
well. What are the allegations?
Allegation against the 376 511, Lordship.
The bail order?
Bail order, page 12. Wife of the petitioner is seriously
Page 12.
12, Lordship.
Surrender within 7 days, I'll stay the warrant for a limited period.
Yes, please.
The petitioner is aggrieved by the order passed by the learned Chief Judicial Magistrate, Jalpaiguri, on 13th November 2024 in GR case number 1795 of 2017, directing issuance of warrant of arrest against the petitioner. Paragraph, it appears that the petitioner was granted bail on 24th August 2017. Stop. He remained absent before the learned
Chief
Chief Judicial Magistrate on 13th November 2024 without steps for which warrant of arrest was issued against him. Stop. The petitioner undertakes to surrender before the learned magistrate within 7 days from date. Stop paragraph. If the petitioner surrenders before the learned Chief Judicial Magistrate, Jalpaiguri within 7 days from date, you'll file an application for bail?
Before the lower court, Lordship, not yet.
Before the trial court, we'll file.
We'll file the application.
You don't want to remain on the same board?
Yes, Lordship.
But that has to be regularized, my lord, by filing an application.
Yes,
We'll file an application for regularizing the earlier one.
within 7 days from date, he shall be allowed to remain on the same board.
Yes.
Paragraph, in the event the petitioner fails to appear before the learned trial court within the stipulated time frame, the learned magistrate court. Learned magistrate with the stipulated time frame, comma. The learned magistrate shall be at liberty to take necessary steps against the petitioner in accordance with law.
Yeah.
Revisional application disposed of, urgent certified. Oh, after line 2, the warrant of arrest issued against the petitioner be stayed till 7 days takes us to
24th.
till 24th December. Last day. Dispose of it. Next. Next. 26, passed over.
I'm appearing for the. I'm for the petitioner, Lordship. Kindly fix the matter on next week, Lordship.
Next circuit.
Next week, Lordship.
Next week, we hardly have time.
Lordship,
Very well. Learned counsel for the petitioner seeks accommodation. Let the matter appear under the same heading on 23rd December. Next.
Lordship, praying for short pass over.
Passed over.
Lordship, kindly take up this matter on 19th of December, Lordship.
19th, you have a resolution. It's
Lordship,
your election day. You'll do it on 19th.
Lordship.
Learned counsel for the petitioner seeks accommodation. Let the matter appear under the same heading on 19th December.
Lordship.
All of 19th. Next. Number 30. Passed over.
Madam.
30?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So being for some pass. Mr. Ulit Shankar is appearing in this matter.
Passed, passed.
Please,
Please wait. Passed.
31.
31.
Lordship, praying for next week.
Next week.
Next
Next week.
circuit name.
Next week, we have 2 working days.
Next circuit.
Yes. On prayer of the petitioner, let the matter appear before the next available circuit bench. Next. 32.
Lordship, I'm for the petition, Lordship. Praying for next circuit, Lordship.
On prayer of the petitioner, let the matter appear before the next available circuit bench.
Actually, I'm appealing for the petitioner, Lordship. On the last occasion, my affidavit of service is filed. It's a transfer application.
Let me just.
Lordship.
Your affidavit was for extension of interim order.
For extension of interim order.
The earlier affidavit was for extension of interim order, right? Mr. Aniruddha Biswas, he was here. Where is he? He was appearing for the state.
Requesting for a short pass over, yes.
Please inform him. You're appearing for the wife
Lordship. No, Lordship, I'm appealing for the husband.
and his
Hus-
family.
Lordship, husband is appealing. The wife filed the case in the Malda District Court. And the petitioner and his parents resides in Coach Bihar district.
Where is your service?
Lordship, kindly keep it 1 day.
Service on the private opposite party. Not today?
Not today.
Please come back with the affidavit of service, right?
Lordship.
Not today.
Great.
Next. Passed over.
My lord, for the petitioner praying for not today, my lord.
Not today. It's wrong, passed over.
Requesting for a short pass over, my lordship.
Passed over.
I put the respondent number 2, lordship.
This is at the motion stage, it will serve. I do not find the petitioner passed over.
Lordship, 39, I'm for the petitioner, Lordship, through
Yes.
virtually, Lordship. Lordship,
Yes.
this matter may be taken, Lordship, this matter may be taken up on Thursday. Thursday.
39, Thursday.
Thursday.
Come on Thursday, learned
Yes.
counsel for
Yes,
petitioner
yes.
seeks accommodation. Let the matter appear under the same heading on 19th December.
38
Yes, 38 to the
It can be taken on.
on Thursday.
Lordship, item 37, Lordship.
Yes.
Can it be taken, Lordship, on next circuit, Lordship?
How can I rewind? I'm going back. Next circuit. Kamla. 37 next circuit. 37 on prayer of the petitioner, let the matter appear under the, let the matter appear before the next available circuit bench. 37. 38, what is your submission? Thursday. Kamla. 38 on prayer of the petition, learned counsel for the petitioner seeks accommodation, 38. Let the matter appear under the same heading on 19th December.
39 also same. 13 December.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. 40. 38, 39, Dubai, 19 December. Yes, next. Passed over. 40, anyone? No. Next. 41.
41, kindly keep this matter day after tomorrow, my lord. Service of this,
Not complete.
extension application, not submitted this step. Today I will serve, day after.
Extension of interim order গুলো আলাদা হেডিং এ দেবেন একটা
Yes.
সব মোস্ট
Can
ঢুকে গেছে আজকে অনেকগুলো এক্সটেনশন ফাইল আছে আলাদা হেডিং এ দেবেন learned counsel for the petitioner seeks accommodation, let the matter appear under the same heading on 18th.
Yes, ma'am.
On 18th December.
For the petitioner, Lordship, in this matter, I'm
Which
praying
matter?
42. Lordship, praying for 3 days accommodation, Lordship. Mr. Sengupta, Ranadev Sengupta will be appearing in this matter, Lordship. Kindly 3 days
Contested
accommodation time.
applications cannot be taken. Is it a short matter? Lordship, you are not aware. Learned counsel for the petitioner seeks accommodation, paragraph. Let the matter appear under the same heading on, when you want to come back?
3 days.
Next week, 23rd,
3 days.
23rd,
23rd, yes, Lord.
23rd December, 2024.
Grateful, Lordship.
Next. 43. Passed over. Passed over. Passed over. 46. Passed over. 47. Passed over. 48.
My lord, for the petitioner, my learned senior, Mr. Ujjwal Roy, is appearing online. Is he?
I do not.
I think he's on.
Huh? He's not there.
He's not there. My lord, kindly praying for a short pass over there. My lord.
Passed over. Time. Passed over.
I'm for the petition. And I am for the private opposite, but I am paying for accommodation. Hey, fix on tomorrow.
Not
tomorrow, madam.
Right?
My lord, in the meantime, one order of stay was passed, but subsequently that was vacated. That may be extended, my lord.
How can an order be extended when it is vacated?
My lord, actually, to the lapse of time that has been vacated.
You ought to have prayed for an extension
That is,
within
that
time,
is,
isn't
that,
it?
that is the problem.
Where is the, I did not find any order. Extend.
Can I make it not today? I'll add out it, but there is no extension. Extension not there, no? There is no option.
We said it has expired long back. 8 weeks from in July. Not today. Who is appearing for the state? Have you served the state? Yes. So please inform the state. In the meantime, I'll just make it not today. Next. What? 51. Passed over. Passed over. You're appearing for? Could be a complaint case. State is not required in this matter. Where is your service on the private opposite party? Nirmal Kumar Bhul. They have appeared. Yes, Mr. Abhilash Mittal is appearing. He's from this bar, Jalpaiguri bar. Yes. I'll make it not today. Will you inform him in the meantime? Not today. Next. Item number? Yes. $52 you want to do it on Thursday? Very well. Amla, 52 the order for Learned Counsel for the petitioner seeks accommodation. Let the matter appear under the same heading on 19th. Next. Have you served?
Yeah.
Have you served? Yes. Because it's a contested application. Raj could be. Raj. Where is your service upon the private opposite party? I'll request you to inform both the private opposite party as well as the state and fix a date. Can you serve the private opposite party also by tomorrow? Can you serve the private opposite party also? So please make a fresh service because this is appearing after a long time. So they need to be informed. No, I need the affidavit of service.
They have to, they have to, that is on, legally, I don't think I'm mal.
None appears for the opposite parties. Paragraph. Let the matter appear under the same heading. Day after is 18th. On 18th December 2024, paragraph, the petitioners are directed to serve notice upon the opposite parties, intimating the adjourned date, and serve and file affidavit of service on the adjourned. Next. Next. The private opposite party. Day after. Day after. Next. Yes, 55. European. CD is required. Primary contention is it doesn't come under POXO. That is your primary contention. The victim was a major. You have the CD with you. When can you come back? Day after? Or? Learned counsel for the state seeks accommodation, paragraph. And where is your service upon the private opposite party? The victim? So you have to serve and come back, sir. So let the state serve and come back. Let it be next Monday in that case. But that should come on record. Please come, please file an affidavit of service. At the moment, I'll make it not today. Please find out if it is the correct address. Otherwise, I'll request the state to serve. No, but that affidavit of service should be on record before I request the state. Just not today, please file that tomorrow. Not today, Guru. Next. Not today. Not called, please wait. Rakun. Not today. Next. He's asking for not today. Hold it for a day. Next.
I'm for the petition.
So I'm for the respondent number, opposite party number 2, Lordship. Can it be taken up tomorrow or day after tomorrow? Tomorrow or day after tomorrow. I'm otherwise ready. Lordship. I will come tomorrow.
State?
Opposite party number 2.
Who is appearing for the state? Not today. Please find out. Your Narazi has not been disposed of?
Yes, it was rejected.
It's rejected.
Naraji of the de facto
De facto,
complaint, it was
yes.
allowed. I am for the accused person. 376 case was started. Thereafter, the
Reinvestigation was directed.
yes, thereafter the petitioner got married with the de facto complainant, and after that, FRT was filed. Against that FRT, the de facto complainant lodged an RRT
After the marriage.
after the
And in any event, this is a reinvestigation which the trial court cannot allow. It has to be a further investigation. 173(8) doesn't allow reinvestigation. Come back tomorrow. Not today.
Yes, Lordship.
PPT will serve.
Not today. So give it tomorrow. No order will be passed. Next.
58. Your lordship, we prefer short passover.
Passed over.
Passover, not today,
Next.
no, not today, my lord.
Not today.
Plus 59, I am for the petitioner. My lord's affidavit is.
Give you a minute, please. Not
One.
called. Yes.
Affidavit of. Last occasion, case diary was called for. There's no stay in this matter. Except for final hearing, case diary
But,
was
case
called
diary
for.
is not there.
My lord,
We require
since-
some time, my lord. Let it be fixed on Wednesday. When is that? Wednesday, my lord.
My-
And the lawyer, his father is ill, my lord. So let it be on Wednesday.
Next week.
My lord's Wednesday.
Next week, or
My
maybe.
lord's next week, 2 days, and my lord's, and if anything happens, then the matter will be postponed again.
In any event, it will be difficult to take up contested applications. You will need some
My
time.
lord,
isn't
there's
it?
no stay in this case. So, and it's a very, very clear case of
You've not
misuse.
asked for a stay
My lord,
at the initial
It's a,
stage.
it's
My
a
lord-
very good case for abatement of suicide.
No, my lord, it's a very good
My
case for
lord goes to
acquittal
the
as well.
FIR, he is named
For
in the
quashing-
FIR. I should
My
should
lord, I'll
say,
place my case before my lords.
at this stage, they have
On the
come
patient.
You
for
have
quashing.
studied.
I don't have the case ready,
Come back with the case study.
my lord.
It was Wednesday, my
Charge
lord.
sheet submitted.
Yes, my lords.
Charge sheet
Yeah,
submitted.
yes, my lords. 207 papers have also been supplied.
Have you annexed them?
Yes, my lords. I have.
207 papers are there on record.
Yes, my lords.
Very well.
My lords, just one difficulty, my lords. On the case status, only one petitioner's name is reflecting. My lords, if that may be corrected by the sir,
Sir,
in the website of the
and
High
another-
Court, only one petitioner's name is being reflected.
I'll check. I'll just find out. But and another cover. Arjuna Namaste. And another. Affidavit
And,
of service.
Naam reflect korche.
When do you want to come back?
Wednesday, my lords. Wednesday.
Wednesday.
By consent of the parties, let the matter appear under the same heading on 18th December. Paragraph case diary be produced on the agenda date.
Grateful, my lords.
Next.
For the petitioner, my lord.
Kya hua?
My lord, on last occasion, the honorable court bench was pleased to stay the operation of the order impugned up for 30 days. That is expired on 12th December. And at that time, my lord, circuit was not there. My lord, the matter is very simple, my lord.
Have you served?
My lord, state has already been appeared.
16, huh?
No private opposite.
Lawyer.
No private.
Avijit Sarkar is there. I think he is on his legs on the court number 1.
Maybe stay may be extended, my lord, and the matter may be fixed on day after tomorrow.
Shall I pass it over? Are you ready today? Shall I
So Avijit Sarkar is there. Let it be passed over. Let him come.
passed over? Passed over. Next. One. Yes. There's a can in this,
Can at least. But
section 5.
no,
What's the can called?
can call extension. Extension of stay.
Extended till November 29. When did you file the application? Beyond time.
Yes, Lordship.
When? There was no stay when you asked for extension?
Actually, matter has not been listed. That's why that.
Application should be within time.
Yes, Lordship.
Listing of matter is a different aspect altogether.
Yes, it's my fault, Lord.
Service is also not complete.
Service.
Item dispatched. That's not service. Has to be item delivered, isn't it?
Okay. Then.
Next circuit.
Lordship.
Complete your service.
Lordship. In the meantime, that stay may.
Can't be, no. There is no stay at all. It has expired.
Lordship, otherwise the lower court will not wait for the.
The
matter.
petitioner is at fault. Application should have been filed within time. You should have served before this day. You have not done any of these.
Lordship, then fix it
Friday?
after. Yes. In the meantime, I think.
Affidavit of service. Paragraph since service upon the private opposite parties is not complete. Opposite parties, basically. Opposite parties is not complete, comma, let the matter stand over till 20th December. Next,
Actually, I'm for the petitioner next.
you want to take it back? Yes, the track report, yes. Hotel and affidavit of service, khali since service upon. Yes. Next.
See, it should be a CRAN application extension for the interim order has been filed also within time, but every bit of service has not been completed. Also, can it be?
When can you come back? After completion of service? You're not audible. You're muted. Please unmute.
Also, Monday.
Since
Monday.
service upon the opposite parties is not complete, comma, let the matter stand over till 23rd December.
Under the heading interim extension of interim order, Lordship.
Egulo
If
heading
so.
extension of interim order code. 61, 62. Next.
Next, 63 on the same pair.
Under the heading extension of interim order. 61, 62. Next.
63 the same pair, Lordship.
63
Same
same.
pair. Same.
Omlan same order. Next.
Lordship, not today.
64, I am for the respondent.
Not today.
64.
Directed for them to file the assets and liabilities affidavit. On the last date also, they have not filed.
Have you filed?
Actually, senior counsel is Kolkata.
Can you file by tomorrow? You're asking for a not today?
No.
Let us see. Come back tomorrow. Next.
Lordship.
65. Item number 65. Passed over.
Item 66, I am for the petitioner.
For the respondent number 3 and 4.
Opposite party number 1.
I am for the respondent number 3 and 4.
Some date.
Yes.
I need some days for filing affidavit in opposition.
You want to file affidavit?
Yes.
But my lord, this application is not maintainable, my lord. No need to file any opposition. It's a mixed question of law and fact, and it is tribal issue. Kindly see the prayer and the pleading. Tribal issue, my lord, it should be dismissed. They have already adopted the dilatory tactics.
He is praying for next circuit. Let him come back. There is no stay.
My lord, can I record my name, my lord? Suchorita Visas, respondent number 3 and 4.
Please put it in the chat box. It will be recorded.
My lord, I am not competent to put the name in my chat box. My lord, kindly record it.
They just want to delay this hearing of this suit.
On prayer of petitioners.
I am on behalf of respondent number opposite party number 1.
এই তো ঢুকে গেছে না অন্য
Next circuit, because,
Yes.
yes, give your names.
Yes,
On prayer of the petitioners, let the matter appear before the next.
petitioner as well as respondent
Manoj,
number.
can you
They will
record my
proceed
name?
for the Next circuit.
No, no, I am not.
No,
praying
you
for
will
not
proceed for
circuit.
the next circuit.
Lord, I
Manoj,
am
can you
not
record
present.
my name?
On prayer of the petitioners, let the matter appear before the next available circuit.
Manoj, can you record my name, my lord?
Yes, you have said this 5
Should-
times, madam. It will be
Sucharita বিশ্বাস, my lord, for the respondent number 3 and 4.
next.
Lordship, in item number 67, I am for the opposite party, Lordship. I beg to appear for the opposite party. I seek one accommodation because I am practically not well, suffering from fever and cold. That's
Who
why.
is the petition? You're the petition. Next circuit.
Next circuit, Lordship. Next circuit.
My lord, in that case, my lord, kindly deliver the info for that. My lord, the petitioner before your lordship filed a partition suit before the trial court. There is an injunction running on the suit property.
Please fix in the next circuit, Lordship. I will appear personally and conduct the
Mr.
hearing.
Das, let me apprise the court what is the case.
Sure,
No-
sure. But on the last occasion also,
No,
you paid
no
time.
hearing will be there.
Okay.
So, my lord, the main basis of the claim of the plaintiff in that partition suit was challenged by the respondents before the trial court in the first suit itself. To be very specific, my lord, one of the plaintiffs had purchased certain portion of the suit property, and they were claiming on that. The defendants has their right to say, and they have come before the court and said the document is false, false, whatever. So subsequently, taking plea of this pendency, the defendants came up before the trial court with a suit for declaration, injunction, and consequential relief. And the main plank prayer being that the sale deed, purchase deed, whatever it is, my lord, of plaintiff number 2 in that suit is a forged document. No person ever existed. And side by side, my learned friend brought out an application after a few days for amalgamation of the suit. We resisted. And that was allowed. Against that, we have come up. No matter my learned friend is ill, I have nothing to say on that. But next circuit is in the month of January. It may be heard, may not be heard.
2nd January, only a week in
My lord,
between.
it may be heard, may not be heard. So let the proceeding of the suit be stayed.
Let it appear in the next circuit. If it is not heard, you can ask for stay. You can pray for a stay.
Lordship, grateful, Lordship.
Yes,
My lord may be kind enough to indicate that.
I cannot. It will be the prerogative of the next circuit judge.
Obviously,
Ah.
my lord. I was
Affidavit-
taking my chance.
Sujumdar is aware, he's taking a chance. Affidavit of service, paragraph, on prayer of the respondents, comma, let the matter appear before the next available circuit.
Grateful, my lord.
Grateful, my lord.
Next.
The next matter, Lordship, I am for the opposite party.
I'm praying
See-
for the next.
Next circuit.
No,
On
Lord,
prayer of petitioner.
Lordship,
Yes.
I am the opposite party. I don't have any objection that they are paying for time. But please see the order of the last line. Copy is directed to be served upon me, Lordship. That has not been
Served
done.
as yet? Not served, you didn't receive a
Not
copy?
served. Not served.
Please serve a copy, sir. That's the minimum.
Direction is there, Lordship. Order dated 26/11.
Do you have any representative here physically?
If they are willing, then I will send one man.
Yes, you will
My
receive the
children.
copy in course of this day. I'm not passing an order. Give a copy in course of this day. On prayer of the petitioner, let the matter appear before the
Okay.
next.
Okay.
Next,
69, I appear on behalf of the petitioner, my lord.
yes.
My lord, this is first time appearing, my lord. I have asked for transfer of a partition suit pending before the court of learned Siliguri to the before the learned court at
Why
Malda.
don't you serve and come back? Why don't you serve and come back?
My lord, on the last occasion, accommodation was prayed for on my behalf, my lord. This is the second
Yes.
time appearing. My lord, both the petitioner and the opposite parties are working in the district of Malda, my lord.
Serve the opposite party and come back and
My
fix it next Monday.
My lord, my lord. In the
Not
meantime,
matter can be disposed of.
my lord, in the meantime, a short stay may kindly be
When
granted.
is the date before the trial court?
In the month of January, my lord, I exactly
Why do you
don't
require a stay? Why
my
do
lord,
you
on the the last date was in the month of November, my lord.
Yes, next date is in January. I'll
My
fix
lord.
it next Monday. So why do you require a stay? You don't
My
require
lord,
a
my
stay.
lord, my lord, my lord, my lord. I will.
Please serve in the meantime and come back, right?
My lord, my lord.
The petitioner seeks transfer of title within bracket partition, bracket close, suit number 148 of 2024, pending before the learned civil judge, senior division, Siliguri, to the learned civil judge, senior division, Malda. Paragraph, the petitioner is directed to soft copy of the application along with annexure thereto upon the opposite party and file affidavit of service on the agenda. Paragraph, let the matter appear under the same heading on 23rd December 2020.
Obliged, your lordship.
Next.
Lordship, I am on behalf of the petitioner. This matter was taken up for hearing on 29 November, and direction was given to serve copy upon the.
Yes, have you served?
Lordship, the service is not yet.
When can you come back?
Wednesday first. That's why.
Since service upon the opposite party is not complete, let the matter stand over till 20th December. Please file your affidavit of service on the next date, right? Next. Passed over.
72 praying for next circuit, my lord. Service has not completed.
On prayer of the petitioner, let the matter appear under the let the matter appear before the next available circuit bench.
Grateful, my lord. 73.
Passed over.
74.
Passed over.
74.
74.
Lordship, initially this petitioner filed a partition suit before the trial court seeking for partition, declaration, injunction, and consequential relief in respect of the suit property that the opposite parties 1 to 6, they are the co-sharers. They appeared before the trial court and filed their written objection and written statement. And on the very first day at the time of institution of the suit, its petitioner moved on application under Order 39, Rule 1 and 2 of CPC, and considering the prima facie case and the balance of convenience and inconvenience in favor of the petitioner, learned court was pleased to pass a ex parte interim injunction designated in the page number 60, 59. Operating part is the 60 order portion. That the instant prayer of the interim injunction is prayed by the plaintiff is hereby considered and allowed. The defendant number 1 is hereby restrained from creating any third party interest in and over the suit property or any part thereof till such and such. And subsequently that order of injunction has been extended time to time on the prayer of the petitioner lordship.
Yes.
All of a sudden, during pendency of this suit, this
opposite parties, they started to violate the injunction order by letting the suit property to the outsiders against the valuable rent. And for that, this petitioner moved on application under section 151 of CPC. My application is annexed with the
opposite parties are also co-sharers, right?
co-sharers. Stating therein regarding their violation, they also have filed the written objection, page number 99.
Your application is at page number?
Application lordship. Okay, no?
99 is their objection.
Yes, lordship. Lordship, page number 78. 76 is the complaint to the Commissioner of Police regarding the violation of the injunction order, and page number 78 is my application. Seeking for the prayer portion is the page number 81, Lord. Seeking for the police assistance. Page number 81.
Give me a minute. The injunction was restraining the defendant number 1 from creating any third party interest.
Third
right?
party interest.
But in your application, you have stated that the directed to maintain a peaceful possession status quo. Where did this order come from? This is an earlier order.
Earlier order.
Please come to page 78, the quoted part.
78. Yes. 25 dependent of director to maintain the peaceful position and property and.
From where did this order come? Where is this order?
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, please come into the page number 73. This is the order of 22/7/2024. In the third paragraph, this is the mistake of the learned court below. It is written as
These are two separate title suits.
two separate title suits. I am in respect of the partition suit. Before that another suit was filed before the Civil Judge Junior Division Jalpaiguri, that is in respect of the separate cause of action.
Your 151 application is in connection with?
In connection with this partition suit. In respect of the order dated 22/7/2024, page number 73,
So
Lordship.
why are you pointing out 60? Page 60, that's a different.
Lordship,
title.
Lordship, I may be apologized. That's in respect of the previous suit. I also annexed all these things. Page number 73, paragraph number.
Yes, status quo not to change nature and character.
Nature and character. In the meantime, they started to let out that property against the valuable consideration to the third party, and they started to earn the money from there, and
Now, these are two specific issues, not status quo and not to change nature and character.
nature and character.
So letting out is not changing nature and character, right? The nature and character remains the same.
Lordship, they are claiming that in respect of another hotel, they have no accommodation at all. They started to let out this property, stating that with the consent of the co-sharers.
Please serve and come back.
Lordship.
I need to hear the other side before
Lordship.
passing any order.
Lordship. In the meantime, Lordship, the impugned order may be stayed.
No,
at
not,
the-
I
as
cannot.
because,
No.
Lordship, please.
I do not find a prima facie case of stay.
Lordship, please
And
come into the.
staying the impugned order will not really help because it's a rejection order. Even if I stay this order, how are you going to be benefited?
Actually, they started to take the advantage of that rejection. They already taken the possession already by virtue of this order, and they are expedite their business. Please come into the page number
Can you
100,
come
Lordship,
back
please.
next Monday,
Monday.
after service?
I am trying.
Let us give it a try. Please come back.
Lordship.
The petitioner is aggrieved by the order passed by the learned Civil Judge Senior Division, Shiliguri, on 2nd December 2024 in title within bracket partition, bracket closed, suit 99 of 2024. Turning down the prayer of the petitioner under section 151 of the Code of Civil Procedure. Paragraph, the petitioner is directed to serve copy of the application along with annexure thereto upon the opposite party and file opposite parties and file affidavit of service on the adjourned date. Paragraph, let the matter appear under the same under the heading contested application on 23rd December.
Lordship.
Next.
Keep you.
Pass. Yes.
Not today.
Not today. Next. 76.
76, Millard, this is appearing for the first time. Millard, the impugned order, Millard, is an order, Millard, wherein an application under order 26 rule 9, Millard, for local investigation has been allowed. Millard, we are the defendants in the suit. Millard, the only point, Millard, where we are aggrieved by this order is, Millard, the plaintiff has stated a particular plot number in which they claim their right, title, and interest. In our written statement, Millard, we have mentioned two contiguous plot numbers, while the defendants also has established their right, title, and interest by way of producing appropriate registered deeds. Now, Millard, our only contention was before the learned court below that if a survey commissioner is appointed, let both the plots be demarcated and, Millard, the survey be conducted in respect of both the plots. That will, Millard, help in complete adjudication of the suit.
Do you have a counterclaim?
No, Millard, there is no counterclaim. If Millard, can you take
That's
page
beyond the
21?
suit property, right?
21, Millard.
The other plot is beyond
There
the
is
suit
an
property.
overlapping. Millard, page 21, Millard, my written statement, para 16. That will, Millard, clarify the position. Millard, the second line.
121 overlaps.
121 overlaps. It is stated that the land of the defendants are in LR plot numbers 121 and 123 corresponding to RS plot number 55. Land of the plaintiffs is contained in RS LR plot number 121 corresponding to RS plot number 54. Now, Millard, both those RS plots and, Millard, this both the plots 121 and 123. If, Millard, all these plots are, Millard, demarcated, Millard, the problem will be, Millard, probably it will be easier for the learned court, Millard, to adjudicate the dispute
You have
finally.
counterclaim for that.
No,
How can the court go beyond the suit property?
No, Millard,
Suit
121.
property is only 121.
121 is, Millard, derived from two RS plot numbers, RS 55 and RS 54. There lies, Millard, the confusion. Because the portion of 121 which the defendants are enjoying, Millard, that is derived from RS 55.
So if the plaintiff's property is demarcated,
Yes.
automatically your issue is solved.
Millard, it cannot be because plaintiff's property, Millard, they claim at 121, which is derived from two RS plots. So that requires to be ascertained which RS plots from the RS plot from which the plaintiff has derived that title.
That can be done in the application under Order 26 Rule 1 and Rule 9 itself.
Yes, yes.
So the
But-
other plot need not be, you are asking for a survey of another plot altogether.
No, not altogether, Millard. It's LR 121, but derived from RS 55 or 54. That is, Millard, what we are praying for. Let that also be
The
demarcated.
investigation will be done in your presence. So you can point that out to the
Millard,
commission.
kindly text what
Please
the,
serve and come back in that case.
I will, Millard, no difficulty.
When will you come back?
Millard, next week.
Next Monday?
Monday, my lord, I will make an attempt to serve in the meantime. And my lord, service on the learned advocate also simultaneously, subject to your lordship's approval.
No, serve the party.
But-
Because our advocates may change, isn't it?
Right.
Serve
Right.
the opposite parties. The petitioners have assailed the order passed by the learned civil judge junior division Jalpaiguri, on 20th June 2024 in title suit 178 of 2022, allowing an application filed by the opposite parties under order 26 rule 9 of the Code of Civil Procedure. Paragraph, the petitioners are directed to serve copy of the application along with annexure thereto upon the opposite parties and file affidavit for service on the agent date. Paragraph, let the matter appear under the heading contested application on 23rd December 2024.
Will your lordships, will it be your lordship's pleasure to stay this order? Because in the meantime, if my lord, the commission is
Just
conducted.
a week.
Just a week. Yes.
Next.
Lordship, I'm for the petitioner. Your Honor, respondents in this suit had filed an application under order 39 rule 1 and 2 before the learned civil judge, junior division at Jalpaiguri. Your Honor, if your lordship comes to the page number 18,
It's at the motion stage.
it's at the motion stage, Lordship.
You've come uninvited. Right? You're asking for expeditious
I'm
disposal.
asking for expeditious.
It's very innocuous, friend.
No, it's a, there is no, there is no gift. The one thing that there is a latches in their petition. They have appeared in that suit. The copy has been served upon. Subsequently, they have filed a petition for amendment of the written statement and written objection. And they has also filed a petition for in violation of the injunction order. The subsequent amended petition has not yet been.
You are the defendants in the suit.
No, we are plaintiff
the
in the
plaintiffs,
plaintiff in
yes.
this. That amendment petition has not been allowed. Unless and until that is being allowed, how come the hearing of order 39 and rule 4 will be conducted?
My lord, our prayer here is, my lord, they have obtained an ad interim order of injunction, my lord. And since then, my lord, they are seeking time and the court is mechanically granting
You
that time.
filed an order 39
Rule 4, that is also
Well,
not being taken up, my lord. I am just seeking that the applications be disposed of expeditiously without granting any.
Yes, because it's too premature to direct disposal of the suit itself.
Yes.
No, my lord,
Sir,
the application's pending, my lord.
application, my
Especially
lord,
the order
the
39
what
one
they
and-
have told that mechanically we have already filed their hajira, we have contesting the suit. On the occasion, the annexure that they have filed, the
They
document,
have only asked for expeditious disposal
No.
of order 39 rule 4.
but previously the unless order 6, order 6 rule 6.
Difficulty, sir, if order
No, no,
39
no.
4 is disposed of
No,
expeditiously.
we have no objection, but until and unless order 6 rule 17 being allowed, they have prayed for the amendment petition. Thereafter the violation order 39.
Amendment of what? The written statement.
No,
That
they have
comes
no.
subsequently, my lord.
They filed the amendment of the written statement.
Yes, and the order 39 rule 4 is against the order 39 rule 1
One
and
and
2 order.
That is
They
an
are two separate
interlocutory order.
aspects altogether.
That is
Let
true.
the order 39 rule 4 be disposed of. That's their prayer. Yes?
Yes.
And you will not be in difficulty if that is done.
No, we are in possession, the contents that will be,
So very
that
I
will.
not going to minutes at all. Since he's appearing, please serve a copy to him in course of this day, right? Since the opposite parties are represented, the petitioners are directed to serve copy of the application along with annexure thereto upon learned counsel for the opposite parties in course of this day. Paragraph, the petitioners seek expeditious disposal of the application filed by them before the learned trial court under order 39 rule 4 of the Code of Civil Procedure in title suit 497 of 2022. Stop paragraph. The petitioners is a for apostrophe. Prayer is innocuous. Paragraph. The learned trial. When is the next date?
Is it tomorrow itself?
Tomorrow.
That's next.
The learned trial court shall deal with the application tomorrow, if not possible within 1 month thereof, right?
Yep.
In view of the above, the learned trial court is directed to consider and dispose of the application filed by the petitioners under order 39 rule 4 of the Code of Civil Procedure on the next date of hearing fixed before him. And if the same is not possible due
Order.
to unforeseen circumstances, within a month thereafter. CRR disposed of as certified.
Order may be sub, may kindly be, order may be sub.
Order couldn't, 1 month thereafter, upon granting reasonable opportunity of hearing to both the parties and without granting any unnecessary adjournment to either of the parties, in accordance with law. Next.
78. May I please your leadership? Leadership, Mr. Arijit Parthan from principal bench will wish to appear before your lordship physically. So request the matter to be, if listed possible, as per your lordship's
when
tidy.
you would
Monday.
23rd,
Kindly.
fag end of the circuit.
Lordship, he'll be here Monday, Tuesday, both the days. So kindly.
Very well. On learned counsel for the petitioner seeks accommodation, let the matter appear under the same heading on 23rd December.
I'm good.
Next.
I'm for the petitioner.
Yes.
I'm praying for next circuit, Lordship.
On prayer of the petitioner, let the matter appear before the next available circuit bench.
Much obliged, Your Worship.
Number 80, I am for the petitioner, I am praying for day after tomorrow.
Lordship, kindly fix the matter Friday, Lordship. Mr. Tapas Bhattacharya is appearing in his matter, Lordship. Kindly Friday, Lordship.
Yes, decide between yourselves, Friday,
Lordship, then date.
day after.
Day after tomorrow.
By consent of the parties, let the matter appear under the same heading on 18th December. Next. Passed over. 82. Passed over. 83.
Lordship, in this, I'm on behalf of the petitioner, Lordship, I'm praying for short pass, Lordship.
Passed over.
My lord, item number 80, I am for the opposite part. I am praying for next circuit, my lord.
Next circuit.
No, Lordship, I'm for the petitioner, Lordship. Kindly, Lordship, kindly pass over the matter, Lordship. Senior is come to at 2 p.m. Lordship.
Come back, let me see.
Lordship.
Next.
84.
Passed over.
84 and 85. 84 and 85, I am for the opposite party, son.
Petitioner is not there. Passed over. Passed over.
86, I am.
Yes.
To correction, Millard was supposed to file a report probably.
Yes.
Who is the special officer?
Mr. Hirok Burman.
Mr. Gorman was appearing, yes.
When I am told by my client, Millard, that a proposal for settlement has been proposed.
Yeah,
Special officer, yes.
I have no sir.
You have no instructions? Where is Mr. Gorman?
He was.
I'll pass it over. Will you inform him? Please,
They would-
I'll let me take up the matter. Passed over.
Seven. 87, Millard, there was a direction to serve.
Have you served?
Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of the opposite party, Lordship, 87.
Yes.
So, same submission of item number 67. I pray for next circuit, Lordship.
My prayer for Millard acceptance of the written statement, Millard, has been rejected.
Next circuit, he's asking.
But can it
Or-
Millard anytime later this week, Millard, subject to Mr. Das' consent?
In fact, I am not in a position to talk even, Lordship. I am
He's not
very
well.
extremely sorry, Lordship.
In an
Extremely
earlier
sorry.
matter also, he asked for time. He's not well.
Extremely sorry.
Learned counsel for the opposite parties, seeks accommodation. No, Rajiv. On prayer of the opposite parties, let the matter appear before the next available circuit bench. On prayer of the opposite parties, let the matter appear before the next available.
Grateful, Lordship.
Let affidavit of service be kindly.
Affidavit of service. Next. Passed over.
Your Lordship, I'm appearing for the opposite party and my learned brother, Mr. Kundu, is on his legs.
I am.
For the opposite party, what about the petitioner?
Yes, my lord.
You are for the petitioner?
No, my lord. My brother is there. I'm also for the opposite party. My brother Kundu is on his legs for me.
I'll just pass it over for some time. Let's see if the petitioner comes.
My lord.
Petitioner is not appearing.
My lord.
Passed over. Next. 89.
89, my lord, I am for the petitioner. Lord, this is against my lord an order under section 24, dependent alike maintenance. Lord, the opposite party was served, they have appeared also on the earlier occasion, my lord. Mr. Shahapuddar was appearing, my lord, for the opposite party wife. My lord, my only contention, my lord, if my lord kindly peruses the impugned order, my lord would find, my lord, the learned court has proceeded. My lord,
I do not see that anyone was appearing. Where is the service?
but probably in one order sheet, my lord, the presence is recorded. But service is on record probably.
There was a direction for service, but
Yes,
I
it
do
was
not
served.
find the service.
My
Where
lord,
is the affidavit
if
of
your service would be on record, my lord.
I'll just find. Was anyone appearing for the?
Yes, yes, Mr. Shahapuddar, my lord,
So
appeared
will
for
you
the
just
wife.
inform him and come back? I'll just make it not today.
Not today.
Yes,
Yes.
please inform him so that
Yes,
I
I
can
will.
part it.
My lord,
A
tomorrow.
very short issue,
Tomorrow.
not today. Next.
My lord, in the item number 90, one direction is there for service of affidavit, exchanging of affidavit in our reply.
Yes.
And the matter is supposed to come in the month of January list, my lord. In paragraph number 4, my lord, last order, page number 2, last line. Paragraph number 4, my lord.
First available circuit bench in the year 2025.
Lordship.
Let it appear before the said circuit bench. In view of the direction given in the order dated 5th December 2024, let the matter appear before the first available circuit bench in the year 2025.
Grateful, Lordship.
Next.
In this case, I am appealing for the opposite party. Let the challenges they have played, they accepted and sent back the.
Passed over.
Kindly come to the.
The petitioner should be there to move his case.
Yes, Lord.
I'll pass it over. Please inform the learned counsel if you can. I'll dispose it off
Tomorrow, my lord, kindly.
tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
Petitioner is not there today. You are appearing in this one. Not today. Please inform the petitioner in the meantime. Next.
Lordship, item number 92, I am for the petition. Kindly, Lordship, this is the next circuit.
On prayer of the petitioner, let the matter appear before the next available circuit bench. Next. 960.
Lord, in 93, I appear on behalf of the petitioner. My lord, now the impediment before me is I am led by Mr. Ghosh in this matter. My lord, he is currently not doing well with his health.
He's currently
Not doing well, my lord. He's ill, my lord. So I pray for next circuit, my lord.
on prayer of the petitioner, let the matter appear before the next available circuit bench.
May it please your ladyship, my lord, I beg to appear on behalf of the petitioner, my lord. My lord, I was humbly beseeching your ladyship, my lord, if this can be taken up, my lord, on the 23rd, my lord. I'll like to come down physically and do the matter, my lord.
Very well. Have you served the other side?
Yes, yes, we have served, my lord. On the last occasion, they have also entered appearance. The interim order has been extended as well. It's a short matter.
You're invisible.
My lord, I am actually a little in a personal difficulty. I have to take my mother to the hospital, so I'm on my way.
Very well. Please come back next Monday.
Monday,
The
my lord.
next for the petitioner seeks accommodation, let the matter appear under the same heading on 23rd December.
Grateful to your ladyship.
Item number 95, my lord. I have a talk with, I am for the husband. I have a talk with the husband. And I have, and he has no grievance against the wife.
So why don't you settle the issue?
Lord,
I mean,
what else? Let the matter be sent to mediation. Lord.
very well.
Because I'm the advocate observer of this case, to submit in the last order that I have to submit the report on this court today.
Who is appearing for the petitioner? Well,
His case, my lord, belong to the custody, my lord, visitation right of the husband to the child, my lord. But apart from that, my lord, whole matter can be settled.
you're for the opposite party.
Yes, my lord.
So will you inform learned counsel and come back tomorrow?
Oh, yes.
I'll just make it not today in that case.
Yes.
Please give this to me tomorrow in that, okay. Eta ফেরত দিয়ে দিন, উনি কালকে দেবেন। Just not today, please inform so that I can send this for mediation. Next. Seats.
I on behalf of the applicant.
Admission.
Admission, there is also an application for condemnation.
Serve and down.
I'm filing the appeal.
You're the national insurance.
Lordship.
Commission. I'll condone the delay. Admit your application and give a direction for service on the main application.
And PLC may kindly report.
Yes,
Wait.
along with CAN. Affidavit of service. None appears for the opposite parties despite service. Paragraph, the petitioner seeks condonation of delay in filing the instant application. Paragraph, good grounds being shown, the delay is condoned. Paragraph, CAN 1 of 2024 is allowed. Paragraph, the revisional application is admitted. Paragraph, the petitioner is directed to serve copy of the application along with annexure thereto upon the opposite parties and file affidavit of service on the adjourned date. Next circuit. Paragraph, let the matter appear under the appear before the next available circuit. Next.
These are out of the same accident. Analogous one.
Delay of how many days?
Same. 256.
Lot of delay.
Yes.
Only two opposite parties in this matter.
Yes.
So I'll pass the same order.
No.
Let me see. Next. Passed over.
I forgot. Well, according to my calculation, delays of every bit of time.
Delays of how many days?
1397 according to my calculation.
1397.
It may be less according to the study. Yes, report.
Pay the amount, sir. So much of delay.
Actually, my lord, what happened, she's a housewife, she's only appellate. And just, it was, order was passed just before the COVID, thereafter COVID happened. Thereafter, actually, she does not know the procedure, how to file appeal, how to come before this honorable court. That is the main issue. I have stated all the matter in my
So you
draft.
are the claimant.
Yes. Lordship.
I'll condone the delay, solve the application and come. Same.
Grateful, Lordship.
None appears. Same. Next.
Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of the appellant, Lordship, appellant claimant, Lordship. So.
Is it delay?
Is 89 days delay, Lordship.
Have you served?
Yes, Lordship. Maybe less as per the stamp porter's report.
Yes. Where is the service on the private opposite party?
Lordship. Actually, that has been dispensed with service upon the
Private opposite party.
private
By
actually.
which order?
Actually, actually, there is a owner and the insurance company, Lordship.
Oh, there was only direction upon the first
Lordship.
respondent.
Lordship. Since they have not contested before the learned court below.
I'll condone the delay
Lordship.
and serve the.
Lordship.
But this time serve both.
Lordship, as per the direction of the well code, I have complied, Lordship.
Delay condone. Rajiv. Direction service, direction for service. Next up.
Lordship, preparation for paper book, Lordship, maybe direction may be given for.
English copy time. Trial court records be called for.
LCM may be called.
Paper book be prepared within 4 weeks
Lordship.
from the date of receipt of trial court records. যেগুলো খণ্ডন করলাম সবকটাতে এটা দিলাম।
Liberty may be given to mention, Lordship.
Next available
Lordship,
service appear.
Lordship.
Part 14, let the matter appear under the before the next.
LCR has been called for. Okay, Lordship.
It will be TCR from now onwards.
TCR.
We cannot call it lower court. It has to be trial court. The Supreme Court has given a specific direction on this.
Lordship. TCR.
We should all get used to this.
Lordship.
Next.
Lordship, just I missed that 99, my Lordship.
In my matter, please.
I am for the insurance company.
I have already passed an order. So please come back. Rajiv, 99 এ ওনার নামটা নিন আর heard learned counsels for the participant. ওইটা বাদ দিয়ে দিন, none appears. None appears on behalf of the private opposite party despite services.
101. Lordship. Same order we passed, Lordship. I have served the copy
Delay
of
of how
the
many days?
only 61 days, Lordship.
61.
61 days, Lordship.
Same order.
Lordship, I am for the insurance company,
Take-
Lordship,
take-
item number 101 and 104, Lordship.
There's the appeal and cross appeal.
Cross
Lordship.
appeal. We have also filed the
101 din. Give me a minute. 101. or 104 term.
Lordship. So my humble submission would be, Lordship, both the appeals may be
Have
heard
you received
analogously.
Copies of the copy of the appeal.
No, actually, there is a delay.
I'll condone the delay. Fight out on merits.
Lordship.
Lordship, but I think in my appeal also there is a delay, but I have not filed condemnation of delay
File an
application.
application. File and serve and then come back. Right?
In 100 number.
Let me deal with 101 first.
Lordship.
Affidavit of service. Heard learned counsels for the parties along with CAN. CAN to dispose of the appellants seek appellants / applicants. Appellants seek condemnation of delay in preferring the appeal. Paragraph, good grounds being shown, comma, the delay is condoned. Can such and such is disposed of. Paragraph, the appellants are directed to serve copy of the application along with annexure thereto upon the opposite parties and let it be the first opposite party. Upon the first opposite party and file affidavit. Or you can serve her and shorten the matter.
Yes, Lordship. I will.
Since the first opposite party is represented, comma, the petitioners are directed, the appellants are directed to serve.
Name of appeal.
Serve copy of the memo of appeal along with annexure thereto. Upon learned counsel for the first opposite party and file affidavit of, in course of this day and file affidavit in course of this day. Stop. Paragraph. Appeal be admitted. Direction appeal be admitted. Service the trial court records be called for. Paragraph, paper books be prepared within 4 weeks from the date of receipt of trial court records.
Lordship.
Paragraph, let the matter appear before the next available certificate.
Grateful, Lordship.
Item number 4, Lordship, then kindly keep it on Friday.
104?
Yes.
You have to file an application and serve.
Yes, sir. Tomorrow I'll file.
Give me the file to the 104. Since there is some delay, 104. 104. Since there is some delay in referring the appeal, the appellant seeks to file an application under section 5 of the appellant seeks to file an application under section 5 of the Limitation Act. Paragraph, the appellant is directed to serve copy of the application along with annexure thereto upon the opposite party.
Advocate of the opposite party, since
here there is no advocate in this file. It's a separate matter. So how can I say advocate in writing? I cannot. Upon the opposite parties and file affidavit of service. Appeal of respondents. Respondents and evidence. And file affidavit of service on the agenda date. Paragraph, let the matter appear. When can you come back? Monday?
Monday.
At least deal with the section 5.
Yes.
Let the matter appear under the same date on 23rd December.
20th. No, not Friday, not 20.
Friday? Very well. 20th December. 20. Yes, 102.
I am paying for the next circuit, my lordship.
102. You are the petition. You are the appellant.
Appellant.
On prayer of the appellant, let the matter appear before the next available circuit bench. And 3.
So 103.
Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, in this matter, actually, I have already filed the application for condemnation of delay, Lordship.
Have you served?
But since there is no direction, so I have not served the copy, Lordship.
Oh, please serve and come back.
Lordship, let there be a direction,
I will.
Lordship.
The can I order for can 1. The can disposed of the petitioner is directed to serve. How many petitioners? Serve copy of the application along with annexure thereto upon the opposite parties and file affidavit of service on the urgent date. Paragraph, let the matter appear under the same heading Monday,
Friday, Lordship,
on 20th December.
Lordship. Grateful, Lordship.
Next.
Lordship, in this matter, appearing on behalf of the appellant, Lordship, in this matter, there is no delay, Lordship. So simply let them,
Serve and come.
Lordship,
Uh,
let them a direction to call for the TCR,
yes, yes.
TCR and paper for direction for paper.
Service also. Appeal admitted.
I don't know.
Issue usual notices. Trial court records be called for. Paper books be prepared within 4 weeks from receipt of trial court records. Paragraph, let the matter appear before the next available certificate.
Lordship, I submit one thing, Lordship, in item number 104, Lordship, I have checked the record, Lordship, in my matter, there is no delay.
You said delay, application, so many things.
Extremely sorry.
Please
But
give me
I
the
have checked
file. It's within time.
Because there is no mentioning of stamp.
Is it within time?
Lordship.
There's no report of the stamp reporter.
There is no report on the part of the stamp reporter, Lordship.
This is filed on 16 December. When was the order for the judgment passed? Yes.
Order passed
June.
on
So it is beyond time.
certified application of the certified copy.
When did you receive that? When did you receive that? The certified copy? Please come back. I fixed this on Friday, so please come back. Apparently there is delay. 12th June. Now, when did you get the certified copy? When did you apply for it?
My original certified copy is mentioned, Lordship. Also, I have filed the original certified copy. There is the stamp.
9th October received. When did you apply? This is a June order. When did you apply for the certified copy? We first date होता है, page तक होता है. Different date of application पता है बोला.
And investment of the.
No, it's not there.
It's
That's
not
why-
there, it's not there.
That's why I'm looking for it.
You have to file that. And our auto file করতে হবে, তাহলে ওই জন্য স্ট্যাম্প রিপোর্ট আর বুঝতে পারিনি।
কবে apply করলো ওটা?
I think that page is missing, I guess.
কবে apply করেছে? Let me just find out.
15/6 একটা date দেখাচ্ছে, কিসের date দেখাচ্ছে দেখুন। 15/6 এটা 8/10/24 application date was
Statutory deposit was on 5th.
Yes.
This is statutory deposit. E-payment is a statutory deposit. When did you apply for the certified copy? No, it was statutory deposit.
application date भी तो नहीं मिल रहा है।
Please find out. Prima facie it appears October. The order was in June. The certified copy.
90 days.
Certified copy applied in October.
Received on 8 October 2024.
When did you apply?
Application date.
When did you apply? You cannot, there should be a
Yes,
delay
ma'am.
even after the order, isn't it? I don't find that. File an application for abundant precaution. Or else explain the delay with documents. Let whatever order is there, let it remain, right? If you still feel there's no delay, please come and show me the documents.
Okay.
Next. It's not there, that page is not there. Next.
106.
Lordship, this appeal has been filed within time, Lordship. So let the appeal be admitted and necessary direction may be passed.
Appeal admitted. Appeal admitted, issue usual notices. Trial court records be called for. Paper books be prepared within 4 weeks from receipt of trial court records. Let the matter appear under the, appear before the next available certificate.
Grateful, Lordship.
Next.
Lordship,
What is this application about?
this is 107, Lordship.
107.
No, I'm not appealing. I'm 108, Lordship.
Passed over.
Lordship. I filed the, serve the copy of the application.
Section 5.
Section 5 is there. 165 just delay, Lordship. Maybe less than that.
You've again not, you've served the private opposite party also?
No, actually, direction was to serve the copy upon the issue.
You've served the private opposite.
Serve. So it might be in few cases, it happens, Lordship.
It's always safe to serve.
Lordship.
Along with CAN. Affidavit of service, none appears for the opposite parties despite service. Paragraph, the petitioner seeks condonation of delay. Petitioners seek condonation of delay in filing the petitioner's appellants. Appellants seek condonation of delay in preferring the appeal. Paragraph, good grounds being shown, comma, the delay is condoned. Can such and such is disposed of. Appeal is admitted. Paragraph, issue usual notices. Paragraph, trial court records be called for. Paragraph, paper books be prepared within 4 weeks from receipt of trial court records. Paragraph, let the matter appear before the next available certificate.
Grateful, Lordship.
Can disposed of.
I have checked, it is there in the record, Lordship. I have applied on 15th June and the copy received on 8th October. So
Where is the date of application is shown?
That is there, file, the extra file there.
You are appearing for the opposite party in that manner?
Yes.
Yes, Lordship. Yes, Lordship.
File to the
File दे दीजिए ना. It is there in the second.
Please wait, I'll just check.
Okay.
Yes, next, 109. 109.
Lordship, I've served the copy of the application. Section 5 is there, Lordship.
The owner respondent.
You are for the private or
Yes, Lord.
owner respondent?
Owner respondent.
So no one for the company?
No one's got it.
Vijay Kumar Prasad is the owner.
Which one? Vijay Kumar Prasad,
And this is Oriental.
Orient, United.
Anyone appearing for United? Yes, I'll condone the delay. How many days?
269 days only.
Along with CAN. Affidavit of service, none appears for the first respondent despite service. Paragraph, for learned counsels for the appellant and the second respondent. Paragraph, good grounds being shown. Comma, the delay in filing the appeal is, the delay in preferring the appeal is condoned. Paragraph, appeal be admitted. Paragraph, issue usual notices. Please serve learned counsel.
Sure.
Since The second respondent is represented, comma, copy of the memorandum of appeal along with annexure thereto be served upon learned counsel for the second respondent in course of the day. Paragraph,
Course of the week, Lordship. In course of the week, actually, he just have to
within
get
1
the
week
copy.
from date. Within 1 week from date.
Lordship.
Paragraph, the appellant is also directed to serve copy of the memorandum of appeal along with annexure thereto upon the first respondent and file affidavit of service on the agenda date. Paragraph, trial court records be called for. Paragraph, paper books be prepared within 4 weeks from the date of receipt of trial court records. Paragraph, let the matter appear before the next available certificate. 104.
Grateful, Lordship.
Appellant responding. Petitioner. 15-6. So there is no deal. Yes. 104.
Lordship.
Will you serve in course of the day? Yes, Lord.
Lordship, may I submit, Lordship? Actually, one matter number 101 and 104, both are appeal and cross appeal. So one line may be added, Lordship, to both the appeals may be tagged and maybe disposed of together, Lordship. Just one line.
I'll do that. 104 to consider. 4 to get it. 104 to then order now. The appeal has been preferred within time, within the statutory period of time. Appeal is admitted. Next line. Paragraph, since you're the first respondent, right?
No.
Yeah, they verbal.
Yes.
Respondents.
Yes,
All of them. Your
Lordship.
Since the respondents are represented, comma, the appellant is directed to serve copy of the memorandum of appeal along with annexure thereto upon learned counsel for the respondents in course of this day. Yes, in course of this day. Paragraph, trial court records be called for. Paragraph, paper books be prepared within 4 weeks from the date of receipt of trial court records. Paragraph, since learned counsels for the parties submit that the present appeal and FMAT within bracket MV bracket closed 112 112, isn't it?
101.
101 106 of 2024 pertains to the same issue, comma, both the appeals be taken up together for consideration.
101.
Paragraph, let the matter appear before the next available certificate.
No, item number.
The number is 106 of 2024. Yes,
Lordship.
the number,
Yes.
not the item number.
Lordship.
The
Lordship.
FMAT number.
Absolutely, Lordship.
Next. এটা 104 হবে order. 104 বারণ করে দিন। Next.
Yes.
For dismissal.
I am for, actually, I have removed all the defects, my lord. There is some defects there.
You're the appellant?
Yes, I am for the appellate insurance purpose.
Statutory amount has been deposited. That
Yes.
was.
Which allow me to serve the copy upon the respondent.
Within time?
Within, no, limitation is there.
Have
So-
you filed an application?
Yes. Can one is there.
The appellant is directed to serve copy of the application under section 5 of the Limitation Act, comma, being can 1 of 2024 upon the respondents and file affidavit of service on the agenda date. Next circuit. Paragraph, let the matter appear before the next available certificate. Next.
Same matter.
Same. Section 5 is pending. This matter
Pending,
also.
yes.
Same order. Any of the passed over matters, is anyone there? So I'll call the passed over matters. Passed over matter, item 11. You're in 11?
Yes, my lord. My lord,
Yes.
I'm for the petitioner. This is a contempt matter appearing
Appearing
for
for
the
the first time?
first
So
time, my
please
lord.
serve and come back. Can you come back next Monday or next circuit? Next circuit. The applicant petitioner is directed to serve copy of the application along with annexure thereto upon the alleged contender and file affidavit of service on the agenda date. Paragraph, let the matter appear before the next available circuit. Next. 15. I'll call one by one. 15, anyone? Passed over. Passed over. Passed over. Apat khagbe passed over. Second of it.
I don't know what.
18. Passed over. 20. Passed over.
Milord, I am for the petitioner, 20.
In 20?
Yes, your lordship.
Yes, 20.
Milord, this is a application for quashing of FIR. On earlier occasion, your lordship has been direct to file a supplementary affidavit that there is a land dispute between the de facto complainant and the accused person on
Who is
form.
appealing for the state? Mr. Chakraborty.
Yes, your lordship.
You are ready with the supplementary affidavit today?
Yes, your lordship. On earlier occasion, it was submitted.
Yes,
And
yes.
copy also serve your lordship.
I'll pass it over. I do not find the state.
Okay,
It
much
pass
or.
over.
I am for the prisoner. I am seeking 1 day accommodation. Mr. Amlesh Roy will be appearing tomorrow, my lord.
Not today.
Grateful, my lord.
Passed over. 28.
Application for quashing of the application. And my lord, the astonishing thing is that at first, we could not serve the copy to the other side, private respondent. Subsequently, Honorable Court went to ask the learned state council to serve the copy, and the copy was served and they have appeared. Subsequently, they remain absent. Twenty 28. Our person. 28.
Where is the service? I do not find anyone appearing for the.
My lord,
private
in the
officer.
order sheets, it will reflect.
Only the state.
No, prior to
Directed
that,
submit a report.
prior to that.
No, a report was called for from the state with regard to service. Where is that report? Service upon the private opposite party?
They have appeared some days prior.
They appeared.
They have appeared, my lord.
No reflection in the order sheet. Oh, Mithun Prasad and Rajesh Kumar Sharma.
My lord. They have appeared.
Of this bar?
Of this bar.
Jalpaiguri bar?
Siliguri.
So will you inform them? I'll just make.
Just Rajesh Kumar Sharma just left this courtroom, my lord. I asked him that he has said he has no instruction.
No, if he has to come and say that before the court.
Rajesh Kumar Sharma just few minutes ago in item number 22 he was there.
I'll just make it. I'll pass it over. Come back at 2 p.m.
My lord,
Please inform him.
may fixed on tomorrow, my lord. I will by way of in written information I will send.
Not today, not today.
My lord.
Very- Not today, Covenant.
I will give him a written information if it did not turn up.
Next. Yes.
My lord, एक FIR हुआ था मैम हमारे अगेंस्ट में, उसी का
please.
क्वेश्चन के लिए.
30.
Yes.
Are you ready? Mr. Aditi Shankar Chakraborty was there. Mr. Luxem was there.
Mr. Luxem, I'll inform.
And Mr. Abhijit Sharkar. Three of their names are there here. There was a direction for affidavit in opposition. Who is appearing for the opposite party number 3 wanted to file Miss Madhushri Datta and Miss Srishti Sharkar. Who are they? This bar, Jalpaiguri bar?
मैडम ये FIR क्वेश्चन का मैटर था, उन लोग सिर्फ डिले करने के लिए.
Affidavit in opposition file करने की लिबर्टी दिया गया था.
Yes मैम.
Previous day पे कौन है?
आज 3-4 बेंच चला गया मैम, कुछ भी नहीं.
नहीं. Previous occasion में ये direction
ये
दिया
4
गया था.
सितंबर का ऑर्डर है मैम, 4 सितंबर का ऑर्डर.
सितंबर का ऑर्डर है, उसके बाद अभी आज आ रहा है ये मामला, ये केस ना. हाँ.
लास्ट 1 ईयर में सिर्फ 2 बार हियरिंग हुआ है मैम.
I'll just make it not to opposite party number 3 wanted to come back with an affidavit in opposition.
उसका तो जरूरत ही नहीं है मैम, वो एफिडेविट इन ऑपोजिशन का जरूरत.
वो तो कोर्ट समझेंगे ना जरूरत है कि
What
नहीं.
is required or FIR के लिए.
It's not filed. Will you inform? आप प्लीज ये ऑपोजिट पार्टी नंबर 3 के जो एडवोकेट्स है ना, उनको इन्फॉर्म कीजिए.
We contact him.
Will you please help him? Because since he is appearing in person. Please help him because he is appearing in person. I'll just make it not today.
आपको वेट कर.
हाँ. उनसे बात कीजिए. हाँ. ये एडवोकेट्स जो आए थे ना दूसरे दिन, उन लोगों को इन्फॉर्म करना पड़ेगा.
15 डेज का टाइम मिला था मैम, आज 4 महीना हो गया.
देखा मैंने. हाँ. Please inform Miss Madhushri Datta and Miss Srishti.
एक साल में सिर्फ 2 हियरिंग हुआ है. एक साल में मैम 2 हियरिंग सिर्फ हुआ है.
One indulgence in the item number 28. He is appearing for the private respondent.
Private respondent defector. But on many occasions, I have informed the defector, might be the defector has lost his interest in the exit out case. I have informed on many occasions.
I read it not today, right?
I have been asked to inform him. He just come before me and I have said that he has no instruction, he has said.
I vocal now on behalf of the private respondent, the defector complaint. I have informed the defector on many occasions.
So then I need to record that the defector complaint is no longer interested in proceeding with the matter. I'll record that.
I have the WhatsApp conversation. I have intimated the defector complaint.
So can I record
Yes,
that? What if आगे फाइल तो दे दी तो कोड दिया.
Akash, 28.
Let me deal with the matter then. 28. Why
So
unnecessary
the
postpone?
156 was drafted by me as per the instruction of the defector complainant. Later on, I found that the defector complainant has himself suppressed the material facts.
Are you making this submission
Yes,
on
my lord.
record,
Yes,
sir?
Yes, my lord. One of the brother of the defector complainant has lost a criminal case against me also, my lord.
With you?
Yes, my lord.
What is it to do?
I will request you to serve a notice upon the defector complainant.
Well, then I have.
Because there is conflict of interest between the learned counsel and the defector complainant.
My lord, I have served the notice. My lord, I have served the notice.
Now you are becoming against party of the defector.
Please serve the defector complainant. not the-
Then, my lord,
Submitted, so it's not.
Only
I have
the
submitted very
notice.
candidly.
my lord, may I submit one indulgence, seek one indulgence? I have served notice, notice was returned to us. State was directed to serve the notice. State was served.
Once he appeared, we are there.
Subsequently, they appeared. And now their address is not located, not known to us.
Do you have the address of the defector complainant?
Address of the-
Do you have the address of the defector
Current
complainant?
address.
Please
Okay.
help
My
the
lord, the
petitioner.
defector complainant has not lost the case against me. One of the other.
No, defector complaint.
I'm not concerned with the case that is against you,
Yes,
sir.
ma'am.
That's not before me.
Yes,
I'm concerned with the present case.
my lord, I have the address.
So please help him.
Yes.
Please give him the address. Let him serve afresh. Please serve a notice, not the copies.
My lord, my lord.
Uh, 28 order করুন, 28
মানে
order
আগের
করুন।
যে অ্যাড্রেসটা এফআইআর আছে
আগের order
সেখানেও থাকে না
28 বোধহয় not today ছিল, এটা হচ্ছে, হ্যাঁ, 28 order করুন। Learned counsel for the de facto complainant slash private opposite party slash private opposite party submits that the private opposite party has not contacted him despite intimation served upon him by learned counsel. Paragraph. Next circuit. Let the man, the petitioner is directed to serve copy of the, serve notice upon the petitioners are directed to serve notice upon the private opposite party, intimating that the matter shall appear under the same heading before the next available circuit bench.
My lord. Can you give me the address, current address?
There is a conflict of interest, so this will not be safe.
Yes.
Next. Passed over. Ready? 36.
37.
36.
36. 28.
Passed over. 40. Passed over. 43. Passed over. 44. Passed over. 45. Passed over. 46. Passed over. 47.
After the state lordship.
Passed over. Petitioner is not there.
Lordship.
May I please have your lordship?
There is appearing.
Or after the petition one. Or this applicant there are two applications that I have filed in connection with this revisional application. One is for extension of the interim order, which is filed within the subsistence of the interim order, and the second, my lord, is for the release of the vehicle. What happened? Yes. All of them have been served, my lord. At the affidavit of service, my learned friend, my lord, will be appearing before your lordship. Will be handing up to your lordship. But here, my lord, the point of consideration was the a forest offense, and in connection with that,
I do
I'm
not
sorry,
find anyone appearing for the state. Yes, Mr. Chakraborty, who is appearing?
48.
my lord, kindly sees my lord's earlier order once.
Yes, I've seen that.
Yes.
State has been served. And both are for the state.
Yes.
The chief conservator of forest, my lord. So we have
That's
not been
state.
informed, my lord.
And the first respondent is the state, the first opposite party.
Yes, my lord.
There is,
Everyone have been served, and
this
even
is
my lord.
conservator and authorized. Yes, this is under the state.
Not the state,
Yes.
but
Not today. Please take necessary instructions and come back.
But the interim order, my lord, is already expired. Lord, you can extend this. Otherwise, they will be my lord, disposing of my vehicle.
divisional forest officer Jalpaiguri under the state.
State, yes, has to be.
Yes, of course. State.
So we have not been informed.
Not today.
It has
will you
been
take-
served.
It has.
Yes, it's been
Yes,
served.
my lord, I've even directly served upon these officers.
I'll just make it not today. Let him come back with instructions. The
My
state
lord,
has-
yes, it will be coming tomorrow, my lord.
Tomorrow.
Yes, my lord, because my interim order is already expired. They will be disposing of my vehicle, my lord. Lord, you can take care of this.
Tomorrow.
Yes,
Not today.
great.
Grateful, my lord.
Mr. Chakraborty, please take instructions because this is with regard to extension of interim order also.
Yes, great. May I take your lordship, leave, my lord?
49. Passed over. 51. Passed over. 60.
Item number 60 for the petition, which is. Well, the matter is very simple.
Passed over. Second half. Second. Sixty-five.
Item number 65, 60, madam.
60.
Matter is very simple, my lord. My lord, I got the privilege of pre-arrest bail by the learned sessions judge, Jalpaiguri.
60.
By the honorable court, my lord.
Yes.
That is page number 16, my lord.
Yes. Yes.
Now, after getting
Page
the
number?
my lord,
16.
page number 16, 16.
Yes. Yes.
Now, my lord, after getting the order, after getting that order, relying the observation passed by the Honorable Supreme Court in the Sushila Devi Agarwal versus State of Delhi, but did not surrender before the learned court. And now we are still on bail. Subsequently, my lord, if your lordship can see the order impugned, your order will see in the month of March 2019, the certified copy I have annexed. After the
charge sheet submitted.
Charge sheet submitted. On 29th March 2019, my lord, charge sheet filed. Just after the affidavit. And
Warrant was issued.
warrant was issued directly. Though the IO was quite aware about the fact that I was on anticipatory bail, but showing me an absconder. Being agreed by that order, I prefer this revisional application before your lordship because that order is not only illegal but also erroneous. Because if we take a glimpse of the observation passed by the Honorable Supreme Court in the Sushila Devi Agarwal.
Further is required to be submitted.
My lord,
Here the state.
Yes.
Yes. How could this warrant be issued? They were on anticipated bail, I was aware. When? Untrained IO, not aware of the law at all.
Yes.
I'll set this order aside. Appear before the court.
My lord, I will.
Appear on the next date. The petitioners have assailed the order passed by the learned
SCGM Dinat.
Additional Chief Judicial Magistrate, Dinhata, Coach Bihar on 29th March 2019 in GR case number 995 of 2016, directing issuance of warrant of arrest against the petitioners. Paragraph. Heard learned counsels for the parties. Paragraph, it appears that the petitioners were granted anticipatory bail by this court on 23rd April 2019 in CRN 203 of 2019. I was a part of the bench.
My lord.
Strangely, upon submission of charge sheet on 29th March 2019, the investigating officer sought issuance of warrant of arrest against the petitioners, despite having knowledge of the fact that the petition against the petitioners despite having knowledge of the fact that the petitioners were on anticipatory bail granted by this court. Unfortunately, the learned magistrate issued warrant of arrest against the petitioners by the said order on the prayer of the investigating officer, comma, which is arbitrary and illegal. Paragraph
55.
In view of the above, comma, the revisional application being CRR 429 of 2024 is allowed. Paragraph, the order impugned, dated 29th March 2019, passed by the learned Additional Chief Judicial Magistrate, comma, Dinhata, comma, Coach Bihar, in GR case number 995 of 2016, insofar as warrant of arrest was issued against the petitioners, is set aside / quashed. Paragraph, the remaining portion of the order shall remain unaltered. The other portion will
Remain unaltered.
acceptance.
My lord, we did not challenge the
Paragraph, however, the petitioners shall surrender before the learned magistrate within 1 week.
within 1 month, my lord,
Shall appear before the surrender, shall appear before the
because in the
learned
last week,
magistrate within, on the next date of hearing fixed.
my lord,
before-
on the next day.
On the next date of hearing fixed before.
Grateful, your lord.
Urgent certified by Serco.
Grateful, your lord.
Next.
I would not say I'm praying for day after tomorrow.
You're the petitioner.
I'm the petition.
Learned counsel for the petitioners seeks accommodation. Paragraph, let the matter appear under the same heading on 18th December.
Not say.
71. Passed over.
I'm praying for only one day accommodation.
One day
Only-
accommodation, not today.
Yes.
73, not today. 81.
My lord, 81 as per the instruction, praying for next circuit, my lord.
On prayer of the petitioner, let the matter appear before the next available circuit bench. 81.
You know what the crossover is? Ask him not to do.
Next. 82. Passed over. 83. Passed over. 84 and 5. Passed over. 86. 86.
Milord, we have informed Mr. Bormot, Milord, probably a settlement can be reached by this weekend, Milord. Kindly take it up on Monday.
You are appearing further? So by consent of the parties?
By consent of the party.
By consent of the parties, comma, this is 86.
86, Milord.
By consent of the parties, let the matter appear under the same heading on 23rd December.
Milord, 85 and 84 and 5, Milord, kindly make, Milord, this has to make it not today because the petitioner is not appearing.
Not today, Kudu.
Eight-
84, 5 to not
84,
today.
5.
You are the opposite with the.
I'm the opposite.
88.
My lord,
Eight.
my lord, I'm for the, yes, my lord, I'm for the OP. My lord has called the
I'll
matter,
pass it over. The petitioner is still not there. I'll call this in the second half as well.
my lord.
Passed over. 98. Item number 98. Passed over. 107. 107. Passed over. দুটোর সময় ফার্স্ট ওভার ম্যাটার গুলো একবার দেখে দেবেন। প্রথম দিন তো অন্য কোর্টে ব্যস্ত আছেন হয়তো। Yes, take it in first. None appears for the PT order. None appears for the petitioner. 15:15. None appears for the petitioner. No accommodation is sought. Let the matter appear under the same heading. The matter is urgent for the day. Bishop Calcutta, next certificate. না একটা অর্ডার করতে চাইছি তাহলে আমি কালকে অন্য অর্ডার করব 15 বাইরে ডিসপ্লে বোর্ড কাজ করছে তো ইয়েস ওকে 18 সেম অর্ডার জয়েন এক লাইন করে অর্ডার করুন ম্যাটার ইজ আর্জেন্ট ফর দ্য ডে তাহলে কালকে আমি নেক্সট করতে পারবো none appears for the petitioner no accommodation is sought the matter is urgent for the day same order
Milord, I am for the petitioner 20.
you have the petitioner yes
My lordship. May your lordship.
yes
Milord, on earlier occasion, if it has been directed by your lordship to file a affidavit on behalf of the petitioner that there is a land dispute between the
have you informed Mr. Chakraborty
no your lordship.
please do that I'll just make it not today please do that
Okay,
it is
okay,
not
okay.
no order necessary because since he was appearing just inform him I'll take up the matter tomorrow right
Okay, okay, okay. Much obliged, your lordship.
order for the opening not today 26 same order join none appears adjourn for the day 34 isn't it it's 34 hours. 34 same order same order intellect 36 same order40 same order same order same order same order same order same order you are same order 51 same order same order same order
I'm for the petitioner. Already, someone has been served and everything has been there. They have appeared for several times.
asked for time several times. My lord knows that my lord has, when, first time they have appeared, my lord was there. Time has been given, subsequently, 1 year has
Direction
passed.
for affidavits, right?
No, no, affidavit they have not submitted the affidavit, for affidavit. The
You are
time has
appearing
been
for the
passed.
opposite party? Yes, where is your affidavit in opposition?
My
How
lord,
much accommodation do you require, sir?
that was
The direction was in July 2024
July, for 1 year.
for affidavits.
That time has been mentioned there, Your Honor. That time has been violated by them. Continuously time has been taken
Within
by-
1 week, affidavit, you'll file the affidavit. You're ready with the affidavit in opposition. When will you file the reply then?
Within 2 days there.
Within 2 days thereafter. So next circuit, that takes us to the next circuit.
Let him do one day after, then 1 day there. I will do it.
Learned counsel for the opposite parties seeks extension of time to use the affidavit in opposition as sought. Because contested applications cannot be taken up next week in a day. Paragraph, affidavit in opposition be filed within 3 days. I give you 3 days. Within 3 days from date, stop affidavit and reply, comma, if any comma be filed within 2 days thereafter. Paragraph, let the matter appear before the next available circuit.
Much.
Please serve advance copies so that the matter is ready for hearing. Yes, next 88. None appears for the petition and no accommodation is sought. The matter is adjourned for the day. 98. Same order. 107. Same order.